In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your PowerPoint version in just 5 minutes. Whether you're using PowerPoint for work, school, or personal projects, knowing your version can be essential for collaborating with others or troubleshooting issues. So, let's dive right in. First things first, start by launching PowerPoint on your desktop. It's important that you have the application open so we can proceed with the next steps. Once you have PowerPoint running, you have two choices. You can either open an existing presentation or create a new one. If you choose to create a new one, feel free to add your photos, tables, and any other content you usually work with. This step won't affect our process to check the version, but it's always good to work in the environment you're familiar with. Now that you have PowerPoint open and ready, let's move to the next part of our journey. Find your way to the top left corner of your screen and click on the File tab. Once the File menu appears, look towards the bottom of the list and find the Help option. Clicking on Help will bring up a section with several bits of information about your PowerPoint software. Here comes the crucial part. Within the Help section, you should find an option labeled About Microsoft PowerPoint. This is where the magic happens and will uncover the version details of the software you're using. Go ahead and click on About Microsoft PowerPoint. After clicking, a window will pop up, displaying all the important information you need. You should see a line that contains the full version number of your PowerPoint program. This tells you exactly which version you're working with, so that you can determine if it's up to date or if you need to download any updates. Additionally, within this window, you'll find details about whether you're running a 32-bit or a 64-bit version. This can be helpful information if you're trying to install add-ons or troubleshoot compatibility issues. And there you have it. You've successfully checked the version of your PowerPoint software. It's a straightforward process, but knowing these details can save you a lot of hassle when sharing files or when searching for support or updates. If you ever need to relay this information to support teams or colleagues, you'll be ready to go. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials just like this one. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. Happy PowerPointing!